Hello my lovelies, how are we all? Welcome to a long video of cleaning the downstairs of my house. It is currently 6:25. I'm going to bath Luca in 10 minutes, but I wanted to come on and just say I'm going to do this video. I haven't filmed a long form cleaning video since IGTV on Instagram back in the day, so I do not know how this is going to go in landscape, but we're going to go for it. And I'm going to tackle the downstairs of my house because it is an absolute shambles. You will see when I show you on the camera. I'm embarrassed, but it is what it is. I'm going to do a couple of things before I put him in bed, washing up, a few other things. So yeah, let's get to it. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you do. It is 8 PM now. Luca's just gone down to sleep. So I've come back downstairs and I'm gonna finish what I started. I don't think I'm gonna completely finish everything, but I'm gonna just try my best to just do a few bits and just get some cleanliness up in here. To be honest with you, I wanna be done before Love Island. Alex is out having dinner, and as I said, it's 8 o'clock. I wanna be done probably by 5 to 9. And I want to make a cup of tea and sit on the couch and watch Love Island and be undisturbed. That's my goal. So I literally have 1 hour. Let's do this. I feel like I'm doing really well. It is 20 past 8 and I feel like I'm on a roll. But I've been given these new pots and pans, which I need to wash up. I don't know if you can see them from there actually. Yeah, you can, fully. So yeah, I need to wash these pots and pans. Oh, do you know what I wanted to show you all actually? Look how shiny my sink is. It's super, super shiny. And do you want to know how I got it to be that shiny? Barkeeper's Friend Power Spray, along with the Barkeeper's Friend Stain Remover and Multi-Surface Cleanser. This is like a powder. I use them together. I literally put some of this down, powder, sprayed it, and then scrubbed it, and it came up so shiny. It's been shiny like that for days. Honestly, it's amazing. This Barkeeper's Friend is amazing stuff. I highly rate Barkeeper's Friend. Right, I'm using the Astonish Antibacterial Surface Cleanser, Rose Water. It smells so, so nice. It's really good stuff. I'm not even going to bother moving them jars because I really can't be bothered. But I'm just going to spray it, leave it, wipe it, done. It's 8:30. I've got to get a wiggle on, or wriggle on. Do we say wiggle on or wriggle on? I've actually no idea. Anyway, it's 8:30. We've got more water. Alex has literally ordered 5 different types of water, all in glass bottles. I need to clean all this. So I'm gonna try and sort it out. I've also got clothes over there on the floor. Right, while I'm sat down here, I'm literally gonna get out my Vicks candle. And the one that I want is right at the top. Tell me oh. Snacks, and more snacks. The time is 9:15. 9:15. Okay. To be honest with you, I'm at the point where I'm going to leave this on here because we're decorating. So I just need it to be out and I just don't know where else to put it, to be honest with you. So I'm not going to lie to you. I'm literally going to keep that right there. So that's going to go away. Someone commented on my YouTube. The bin's bigger than her. Yeah, it actually is. It actually is, but it's not hardly bigger than me, guys. I'm literally 5 foot. I've grabbed the Zoflora Springtime from the cupboard. Oh my goodness, the smell is, when I tell you it's insane, I mean it's insane. I'm gonna give it a good sniff. Oh, so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on the tissue, kitchen roll, and then I'm going to drop it in the bottom of the bin. And basically, just like that, we'll keep the bin super fresh, like really fresh for ages. Put in, no bin bag. Now, there's no way I can show this without showing all of the external mess that is everywhere else in this house. But basically, this is my laundry that is clean, so I need to sort it. Love Island has started. It is 9:15. I had to delete like 40 gig of memory off my phone so that I could carry on recording this vlog. So basically, I need to pick this up, take it to the living room with me and sort it out whilst I watch Love Island. I'm also going to make myself a cup of tea because I didn't expect the time to be this late. And it is, and I'm chatting. And what am I getting done? Tomorrow when Luca goes to preschool, I'm going to hoover and wash the floors. That's my goal. I need to sort these areas out in this section of the kitchen. Yeah, of course. I'm just going to light this Vicks candle. These are so nice. They're actually made by Air Pure, and they're vapor wax candles. And I think you can get them in like B&M, maybe Home Bargains, but anyway, or Poundland maybe. Oh yeah, that's what I need. What I just thought, while my tea's cooling down, I've definitely got issues, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna quickly just hand brush this. Oh, done.
Oh, this is a bigger bed than we have upstairs.
Yeah, this is the other bed.
Pause. Pick it up. Let's go. Sit down now. Drink my cup of tea. Watch the rest of Love Island and FaceTime my friend who's just FaceTime me. And just chill. Oh my gosh. The time is 20 to 10. So I think I've done really well.